Welcome to our channel. Starting a tech freelancing career requires not just technical skills, but also knowing how to find clients, market yourself, and deliver quality work that builds your reputation. Step 1. Identify your specific tech niche, whether it's web development, mobile apps, data analysis, or another area where you have demonstrable skills and expertise. Step 2. Create a professional portfolio website showcasing your best projects, including detailed case studies that explain your problem-solving process and results achieved. Step 3. Set up profiles on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal, optimizing your profile with keywords relevant to your services and including examples of your work. Step 4. Determine your pricing strategy by researching market rates for your skills and experience level, starting slightly lower to build your reputation, then raising rates as you gain clients. Step 5. Craft compelling proposals when applying for jobs by demonstrating that you understand the client's problem and explaining specifically how you'll solve it. Step 6. Leverage your existing network by informing friends, family, and professional connections about your freelance services and asking for referrals. Step 7. Create valuable content in your niche through blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media to demonstrate your expertise and attract potential clients organically. Step 8. Deliver exceptional work on your first few projects by over-communicating with clients, meeting deadlines, and going beyond expectations to earn positive reviews. Step 9. Request testimonials and case studies from satisfied clients that you can use in your marketing materials and portfolio. Step 10. Build long-term relationships with clients by maintaining communication after project completion and offering ongoing support or additional services. Your tech freelancing business is ready to grow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.